mama, and I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna.